Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how to save your Facebook post in Google Documents. For this you have to go to settings and privacy. If you save your post in Google Documents, you can save your data if your Facebook ID is lost. For this you have to go to in your information you have to click on transfer a copy of your information. After that you have to click on next and you have to click on Google Documents if you want to save your Facebook posts in Google Documents. If you do not want to save your notes, you can click on none. And if you want to save your post, you have to click on all of your posts so that you can easily save your post. After that you have to click on connect. It will go to your Google account. You have to give your Google account password, as I have already given password, so that why it is not asking. If you connect Google account for the first time, it will ask you the password, and after the password you have to click on acceptance so that Facebook can connect to your Google account and save your data into Google Documents like post, as you can see in the video. After that you have saved your post in Google Documents. You have to click on confirm transfer so that and enter a password so that your post can be saved in Google Documents for further usage. If you are using Facebook for businesses and important purposes, you can use that feature and save your Facebook post and other data in Google. If you have liked this video, kindly subscribe this channel and press the bell icon